Hey, Shiva, yeah, that's right. And as we look back real quick here, the month of July was definitely a hot one out there, wasn't it? We had an average high around 92.5, average low about 78.5. You average that together, you get 85.5. So it's about 2.2 degrees above normal for us and about the fourth warmest July on record. But look how much rain we had, 15.22 inches of rain for the month of July alone. And we did not even have a tropical system during that month make landfall in Louisiana. That's over 9 inches above normal and also the wettest July ever by over 2 inches, breaking the old record set back in 1991 of 13.15 inches of rain. So definitely a soggy July indeed. And we're looking at a few clouds building up now, but not bad. A lot of sunshine, no rain yet in town. 84, but the dew point 75, so it's pretty humid. Feels like it's 92 degrees right now here in New Orleans. North of the lake, 75, Hammond, 78, Slidell, 85 there at Lakefront, Belle Chase at 80, Homey coming in at 77 and 80s down there in the Port Fouchard area as well. And we do have some big storms near the mouth of the Mississippi River, but the rest of the area not looking all that bad. Things here are pretty quiet. You can see again some of the downpours near Pilot Town toward the mouth of the river, Port Eads area as well too. And they'll continue here through the morning hours before eventually kind of raining themselves out. And eventually some storms will try to develop inland today. Now yesterday we had those storms. That comes from this front that moved on through just to our north. A second front comes in Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, kind of stalls over the area. That actually may draw down a little less humid air for part of the North Shore for a couple of days and give us maybe a small chance for rain those days, but really not a lot of moisture with it. You saw not much rain out there anyway. A lot of dry air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere here. And so what will happen is if we do get a thunderstorm popping up, it's going to tap into the dry air, bring it down to the surface. So we could see some strong gusty winds with any storms that do pop up. Now this is called moisture. You can see the deepest moisture where a tropical system is. Isaias here. As it moves its way along the eastern seaboard, notice the drier, less moisture air coming on in here as we get into Wednesday. Now that'll make it feel a little less humid there into Thursday and into Friday, but just off to our east, a little extra moisture. Could see a little more rain there versus our area, but definitely look maybe a little taste of a break in the humidity for a couple of days and not much rain for the rest of the week, only 20% chance through Friday. Now today we'll see that small chance of rain, but temperatures getting into the mid 90s this afternoon, so we'll be a hot one out there. About 93 degrees on the North Shore, 95 degrees here on the South Shore. Normally we should be 92, so a little bit above normal and close to record of 97 degrees. Now we'll stay in the mid 90s for the rest of the week, 95, 94. No big difference there at all. As we head on into throughout today, a couple of showers and storms from lunchtime on into the early afternoon hours. Then looks like quiet weather overnight. Tomorrow, again, maybe a few showers and storms with that front moving in, but again, chance of rain is very low. And as Wednesday here, the front remains over us, so maybe a couple coastal showers and storms, but that's about it. Now looking at the tropics, Isaias winds are at 70, moving north at 13 miles per hour now. Trying to get a little better organized, more rain trying to wrap around the center. You can see the southwestern portion of it is fairly exposed. It is expected to become a hurricane again later today. Landfall tonight near Myrtle Beach, South Carolina as a Category 1 hurricane, tracking its way near Wilmington there as we get on into tomorrow morning at 1 a.m. with 70 mile per hour winds, then racing its way off to the northeast. Look at that, near Philadelphia, Atlantic City still is a tropical storm with 65 mile per hour winds, and will continue working its way through the New England area and into Canada, finally weakening to a non-tropical system here by Thursday. But this is going to spread some very heavy rain, some gusty winds across the northeast, probably some big power outages in the big cities, D.C., Philadelphia, New York area, back to Boston, heading over towards, say, Burlington, Vermont, and Montpelier area there. So they're going to be dealing with quite a bit in the way of that system. Now behind it, we have Invest 94. A little flare-up of thunderstorms trying to develop this morning. Chance to develop in the next 5 days at 60%. This one could try to develop into a tropical depression as it meanders kind of not far from Bermuda as we head throughout the next 7 to 10 days. So we'll keep an eye on this one, but nothing we have to worry about, which is good news. So 95 today and tomorrow with a 10 to 20% chance of rain at best, 20% chance of rain through Friday. We stay around 94 degrees. You can see maybe a little less humid Wednesday and into Thursday with those temperatures still pretty hot, but notice the morning lows, lower 70s there north of the lake. Now as we get to the weekend, back to reality here for us. 93 degrees, about a 30 to 40% chance of those showers and storms each day.